Hey guys, Bruce Johnson here with Epic Real Estate Investors Association. Giving you a quick shout out. We are hosting a virtual property tour tomorrow morning, Saturday morning at 9 a.m. We're going to be featuring one of our students' fix and flip properties that he has fully rehabbed. So this was a former fire damaged house that had been sitting empty for 3 years. Real eyesore to the neighborhood. It had been tarped, he said, 3 times. And we're going to be going through the property, doing a video walkthrough, interviewing Rich on what he's done to the property, and going through the numbers a little bit. So love to have you guys join us. Once again, 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Go to localpropertytour.com to register. You'll get the link information for our property tour tomorrow. And as well, we're going to be doing a quick overview of our program and showing how we're doing things in today's virtual real estate world. So look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning on the property tour, and hope you guys are staying well. So enjoy this beautiful day, and we'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.